Hi, I'm Martin Cole, Water and Wastewater Asset Manager for Kapiti Coast District Council. As part of the measures to provide a sustainable water supply for Kapiti, all homes and businesses have been fitted with water meters. We now pay for water based on a fixed charge and a volumetric charge for the water we use. Those that use more water, they'll pay more. Those that use less, they'll pay less. This video explains all about water meters and how you can save water and money by making some very simple changes. Your meter is probably at the front of your property and has a black or blue lid like this one. Use a screwdriver to prise off the lid and flip open the cap to show the meter register. It's a good idea to check the meter ID against the ID on your bill. This makes sure you're looking at the right meter. You can also get someone to check that it's connected to your property by running a tap for a couple of seconds, making sure the meter's spinning. The white figures on the black background here show the full cubic meters used. A cubic meter is 1,000 litres. If your meter is spinning, water is being used somewhere on your property. Your house Toby shuts off the water to your house. They are usually on the same side of your property as the water meter and often found nearest the outside tap. They come in all shapes and sizes and can be difficult to find. Yours might be hidden under the deck, in the garden, it could be on the drive, in the garage or under your house. This is where the Toby is located on this property. It is a good idea to find yours so you can turn it off in case of emergency and you can use it to help find leaks. Dripping taps and leaks can waste a lot of water and cost you money. If you're using more water than you expected, you may have a leak and these are easy to check for. First of all, turn off all the taps in your home and make sure none of your appliances are running like washing machines or dishwashers and no one's using the shower. Next, open the lid on your meter. If it's spinning, you're using water on your property and may have a leak. Count how many times the arrow goes round in a minute. Each revolution of the arrow is 1 litre. If you're using under a litre an hour, it could just be a dripping tap or toilet. If it's 1 or more, you could have a serious leak or a tap running somewhere on your property. This can waste thousands of litres of water a day and you need to get this sorted. Look for greener or damp patches between your house and your meter. To find out if the leak is between your meter and your home, shut off the house Toby and check the meter again. If the meter's still turning but it's not a big leak, it's a good idea to check overnight by turning off all the taps in your home and reading the meter before you go to bed and then again when you wake up. If you find what you think is a leak outside, contact a plumber and get a quote before agreeing to do any work. Council has a directory of plumbers we can provide you. They'll give you some numbers to call. You can stop a dripping tap or toilet by changing the washer. Many separate hot and cold taps use rubber washers which eventually wear out, causing the tap to leak. Changing a washer is usually a simple thing to do. First of all, turn off the water supply at your Toby. Then remove the tap cover. This may screw off or have a cap on the top that you can pop off with a flat lever. Next, undo the cartridge in the middle of the tap using an adjustable or ring spanner. Lift it out once it's loose. The washer will be attached to the bottom of the cartridge. Pull the worn washer off the cartridge carefully as it may break into pieces depending on how worn it is. You may need to use pliers to do this. Replace it with a new washer. Blue 15 and 20mm washers are suitable for hot and cold taps. Basin taps usually take 15mm washers and baths, they normally take 20. You can buy a mixed multi-pack from a hardware shop for just a few dollars. When you have replaced the washer, slide the cartridge back into position and use a spanner to tighten it. Replace the tap cover and turn the tap to the off position before turning the water supply back on. You need to do this slowly to avoid shocking your pipes. And there we go, washer replaced and more water saved. We use water in lots of different ways in our home. The typical big uses are washing ourselves, washing our clothes and flushing the toilet. Here are some simple ways to save water and cut your water bill. Having a shower instead of a bath can save you up to 5 buckets each wash. Have a shorter shower. 5 minutes should do it and save up to 3 buckets. Fixing a running toilet and save up to 100 buckets a day. If you have a single flush toilet, get a free lead weight from council, put in the system and use less water each flush. Turning the tap off while you're cleaning your teeth, that can save up to half a bucket at a time. Do you really need a full sink every wash? Half fill it to rinse your veggies and dishes and save up to 2 buckets a day. Even better, do your washing up in a bowl. Only use your washing machine and dishwasher with full loads. Wash your car on the lawn and use a trigger hose. This can save up to 90 buckets a wash. Now, use a broom instead of a hose to clean your path. Saves your water and it's a great workout. If you are replacing your washing machine, choose a front loader and you can save up to 6 buckets a wash. Have a look at the star rating. Choose one with a 5-star water rating. For even more water savings, Council can give you advice. Call us on our free phone number. If you still have concerns about the amount of water you're using, give us a call and we'll get someone to come out and help you with this. For more information about water meters and water saving, check out the Council website.